The Gaelic Otherworld was a realm beyond linear time, a parallel world inhabited by the Aes She, otherwise known as the fairies. This realm shaped much of the daily life and the psyche of our Irish ancestors. In this 6-part series, we explore Carl Jung's concept of individuation and the role of the Numinous in psychological transformation and trauma healing. We encounter the wisdom of the ancestors and their ways of seeing and being in the world, or as Yeats called it, the condition of quiet, that is the condition of vision. In this series, we peer into the realm of the Aes She, becoming curious about their mysterious archetypal imagery, cultivating a space of ritual, and understanding the transformative energy of the unconscious, the numinous, and the symbolic in our own inner world and daily life. This series brings to life themes of loss and grief, rites of passage, initiation and transformation in a mythopoetic approach to healing trauma and intergenerational trauma, where I use Irish folklore, myth, image, story, metaphor and archetype to illuminate your own connection to your inner world and soul self. You are welcome to join me in this visceral, visual meditation of Ireland, its indigenous ways and ancestral wisdom. And this series is cultivated to explore and understand our deeper selves, how the past continues to shape the present, what is passed down the lineage, and how we can come to break old unconscious patterns in order to step into our own authentic life. This is an odyssey of the soul and spirit, of personal development and discovery that honors not just ourselves, but our ancestors.